Okay, in this episode we're going to show you about the time clock for this in-ground pool and how to set the time dogs on your time clock. What we have here is a 24-hour dial, and the first thing we want to do is set the current time. By pulling out on this dial, we can turn it to the current time, about 9:15 in the morning. And then we want to set our time clock dogs, which were stored here for the winter, right onto the dial. The silver one being the on dog, says right on the bottom there. Let's start him right around 8 o'clock in the morning. And I tighten this set screw here, which tightens the on dog on set at 8 o'clock in the morning. Now we'll put on the off dog. It says off on the bottom. It's the gold color. Slide that over the dial. Let's put it about 8 p.m. Have them work a 12-hour shift. Tighten that up real good and tight so it doesn't slip. Second thing I like to do is the visual motor check to make sure that the motor behind the dial here is operating. I've got the breaker on behind me in the breaker box here. So by looking into this hole above the dial, I can see small gears turning in there. That tells me that the motor's working. And I can test the pump. Let's see if that turns on. Pump turns on fine. Hey look, it slipped. You see, I gotta be careful. I didn't tighten that tight enough. Sometimes you need a set of pliers on there to get these dogs tight. Okay, there we go. And that's how we set an Intermatic time clock for your pool pump.